Gusto ko ng kape. I want coffee. Isang latte po. One latte please. Pakidagdagan ng gatas. Please add some milk. Ayaw ko ng may asukal. I don't like sugar. Gusto ko ng matamis. I want it sweet. Pakidagdagan ng yelo. Add some ice. Ang init naman nito. This is so hot. Anong order mo? What is your order? Ang bango ng kape. The coffee smells good. Madalas ka ba rito? Do you come here often? Anong gusto mong inumin? What do you like to drink? Ang ganda ng lugar na to. This place looks nice. Saan ka nakaupo? Where are you seated? Sasaluhan mo ba ako? Will you join me? Ang tahimik dito. It's quiet here. Umorder ka na rin ba? Have you ordered too? Lagi ka ba rito? Do you often come here? Anong oras ka dumating? What time did you arrive? Anong oras tayo aalis? What time are we leaving? Gusto mo bang upo sa labas? Do you want to sit outside? Anong madalas mong inumin? What do you usually drink? Ano iyang binabasa mo? What are you reading? Anong gusto mong pag-usapan natin? What do you want to talk about? Kumusta ang lasa ng kape? How is the coffee? Ang daming tao ngayon. There are many people today. Ang tahimik naman dito. It's so quiet here. Gusto kong maupo sa sulok. I'd like to sit in the corner. Huwag mo akong iwan dito. Don't leave me here. Diyan ka lang. Just stay there. Mauna ka nang umupo. You may sit first. Magkano pa itong order ko? How much is my order? Alin ba ang mabenta rito? Which one is the best seller? Saan kami pwedeng umupo? Where can we sit? Magkano lahat ng ito? How much all of this? Pwedeng makita ang menu? Can I see the menu? Bukas ba kayo bukas? Are you open tomorrow? Pwedeng humingi ng resibo? Can I ask for a receipt? Dito po kayo kakain? Are you going to eat here? Pwede po ba ang credit card? Can I pay using my credit card? Magkano po lahat? How much all in all? Saan ang banyo nyo? Where is the restroom? Kanina ka pa ba? Have you been here long? Kararating ko lang. I just arrived. Namiss kitang kausap. I missed talking with you. Masaya akong makita kita rito. I'm glad to see you here. Ang bilis ng oras. Time flies. Nakakatuwa kang kasama. It's fun to be with you. Sana maulit ito. I hope this happens again. Wala ka bang ibang pupuntahan? Don't you have other errands? Kasama mo ba sila? Are you with them? Sino yang mga kasama mo? Who are you with? Wala ka bang ibang kasama? Don't you have any companions? Nakapunta ka na dito dati? Have you been here before? Bakit mo ako pinapunta rito? Why did you invite me here? May pag-uusapan ba tayo? Do we have something to talk about? Ipakilala mo naman siya sa akin. Please introduce me to her. Ikinagagala kitang makilala. Nice to meet you. Kumusta ka ngayon? How are you now? Ayos lang ba ang lahat? Is everything okay?